Hello my dear friends, welcome to Desoldering Show. This is Uncle Misha, and today I actually decided to buy desoldering gun. Yeah, after a while I was kind of struggling with desoldering of things, and finally I decided to actually go for it. So this is, I don't even know what's the brand. I think it's like Aneng ZD-8915 desoldering station of blue color. Yeah, this is desoldering gun essentially with sucking. It sucks. So let's take a look what we have in this wonderful box. Okay, packaging is as same as blue as this device is supposed to be, and let's see. We have some kind of instructions. Doesn't even know the brand, doesn't have any brand name. It's like just a model ZD-8915, whatever that means. Oh wow, that's pretty beefy actually. So some cable, the station itself. Ooh. What else do we have? That's probably gun and something heavy. Just go away. It's a bit dirty. Let me clean you up. It's all plasticky. Not too heavy actually. This stuff is heavier. Okay, let's see what we have here. I guess we have some stuff. Oh, that's pretty heavy actually, I must say. And oh yeah, this is the stand. So that's gonna be stand with some cleaning thingies. Okay, it probably goes like this, as simple as that. And cleaning thingies just sitting somewhere. That's it. And then we have a gun itself. Filters. Gun. It's pretty small actually. Okay, so that's a little not gasket, I don't know how you call it, cap with the rubber gasket, and I guess this goes in here. Okay, that's connector. Oops, don't fly away. So let's just unwind this and connect. Yeah, this is kind of try to keep running away. I'm curious how it's supposed to be, like this or vice versa. Okay, the wires are about 70 centimeters, not too long, not too short, but it's good enough. It comes also with few spare nozzles, one filter I guess for over here to put in this little hole right in here, right, and 3 more filters which are supposed to be, how this is supposed to disconnect somehow. Yeah, somehow. Doesn't come with spare heater element. How this is? Just like this. So here we are. Yeah, you just pull it out. Okay, and you clean it up. And that's glass because it has to contain some kind of higher temperatures. Yeah, a little bit how you do it. So this is not removable, so you have to kind of press it in, I guess. Just think how you're supposed to. I'm not sure what kind of material this filter is made of. You see, I already broke it. Just got it and already broke it. I thought this is supposed to go a little bit further. back, I would say, for my liking, right? Wow. Seriously? You see, guys, this is... Oh my god, how the hell is it supposed to go in? You can... This is glass, you can really cut yourself if this is not gonna go well back on. Ah, I see. So first you kind of put it over here, and then I guess you jam it. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, here we are, the lessons for you. Okay, let's just connect it and try to play with it. Okay, that's clearly... Ah, okay, so I know why they made it disconnected. So before, you have to screw it in, and then put this cable, the hose on, because otherwise you would have it twisted like no tomorrow. So, okay, this goes on, where it's keyed like this, goes on. Oh, here we are. So I'm not gonna use this cable for now, because I don't like the cables. Usually they are very stiff. I like different kind of cables, you know, which has 3 conductors like this. They are much more flexible. Or where is that guy? I like this very much. It's actually quite flexible as well. This is very old cable, but it's like actually very good. So this is junk. Before, one thing to mention, it has a power button on the back, not on the front, which would be probably preferable to have power button at the front. Alright, so it's connected. Let's just power it up. Yoy. It's a mess of wires. Okay, there's something wrong here, clearly. Oh, there's a retaining screw, so you have to like unscrew and screw. That's better. It's still kind of wibbly wobbly, I must say. Yeah, more or less. Oh, it was powered up actually. So it powered up. It's actually going. Not sure what is this. It's already set to Celsius. We're gonna crank it up to, I don't know, 300. Let's see, 300 Celsius. Obviously gonna be stinking up. I'll be back. Okay, so I have prepared the busted power supply here. If you remember video where I discovered this is from VCR, I discovered this board completely busted. So yeah, look at this. It's actually shines through. I don't know if you see it. You see that? It's actually busted completely through anyways. So let me try to poke around here. This is just as is. Let's see. Okay. Looks like this is too big. Okay, let's do this capacitor. Whoa, don't scare me. Okay. Oh, capacitor was glued or something. Okay, that's why it didn't go away. Okay, let's try this capacitor. That's actually pretty quick. Maybe I would need them for something else. Now, first need to melt it. That's very crusty, by the way, so... No, that's not going. It's not going. It's not melting. What's going on here, mister? Need some flux? Oh shit, that broke. No, it just fall out. Fall now. Alright. What else we can desolder? Like about this capacitor. Get some flux. Ground plane? What? Nope, not working. Wow, what's happened here? Anything here? Put some diodes. Okay, let me actually try again this big one. No, this is just not, it's too small of a hole. How about, does it have bigger? Looks like they're all the same kind of dinky ones. Yeah, I finally desoldered this capacitor, Sanyo branded. Because it had bent leads, it was a bit of a pain in the ass. So let's try to unsolder this connector, for example. I want to see how quickly we can desolder connectors. Obviously we need some flux here because first of all it's all kind of shitty looking. Looks like it was like something leaking even here. Kind of corrosion started. Curious where it's coming from. I don't really see, but anyways. Alright guys, I shut this guy down in the meantime and decided to, oh by the way, it took me some time to this AC. It's actually really busted looking kind of connector, but those two inside was actually quite a challenge. Everything else was pretty quick. So let's try to change to different opening, to different tips. So we have, judging by the little hole right here, it's like medium one, and this one is pretty big one. All right, but they are, looks like teamed. This is still kind of, oh, still hot, eh? Okay, let's do this. I assume have to unscrew this thing. Oh, I cannot do this. It's very tight. Yeah. That's how you do it. Okay, then let's do medium one. Like this. And like this. Okay. This is what goes here, I guess. This goes here. I'm not sure what this opening is for. Okay, let's just power it up and see. $300. So now we'll try to at least unsolder one of the pins of that transformer to see. Take some time. 160. It's actually, I mean, going relatively fast, but not too fast. 210, heat on. Okay, now it's smoking. Solder is not melted yet. 270. 280. Okay, bubbling, solder is bubbling. 302. Alright, let's do it. Melted. Voila! Well, not sure I need to like desolder everything in order to actually desolder those big diodes here. You see, the problem is you have to start melting. If it's not melting, nope. $320. But clearly now it's supposed to just go. Still warm, but it's pretty good. Let me see if this pin is actually moving. Yep, it's moving. It's completely free. Yeah, so this is awesome. I think I need to really desolder this transformer because I tried to reuse it for something else. You're gonna just like probably just cut it like this, you know, and leave this. Well, it has nice fuses here, but yeah. I think this thing so far so good, works fine. I don't have really good, for example, ground plane to test it. Yeah, let's try whatever is here. Yeah, it just melted it like in no time. Okay, let's try to desolder this. I will resolder it back on. Yeah. Yeah, that's not a problem. Yeah, well, it's just not that of a big copper here, but it's completely, almost. Yeah, now it's completely free. Yeah. So, you know, guys, it actually works all right. Have no issues. So let me think what to say, and I will say it. Well, guys, in the conclusion, I think this desoldering station is alright. I so far liking it. It does the job much faster than me actually using the desoldering braid and soldering iron. It heats up relatively fast. I would say I would like to have it heating up faster, but it's still relatively fast. It has few different nozzles. It has cleaning thingies, which are alright. By the way, this one I can use for my 3D printer to clean up nozzle in 3D printer because it looks like it's thin enough. Yeah. So it says 900 watts. That would be nice to actually check if it actually, sorry, 90 watts. Because 90 watt is actually, it's a decent amount of power, like for soldering iron. I mean, I believe Hakogan can do more, but this 90 watts is all right. I think it's gonna do well. Yeah, I definitely, before actually recommending this thing, I would have to use it for a bit, and I believe me, there are cases when I need to use it as soon as possible. So that's gonna be handy quite a bit, and pretty much immediately. So far this is pretty much unboxing and try to first use it. I'm not gonna taking it apart today or any soon because I still have few things to tackle before I get there, and maybe there's gonna be part 2 when I just take it apart and we see what's inside, how it's made. But for now I'm not gonna be doing that. I think that's gonna be it. So far it's meets the expectation. I wish it was a little bit cheaper, but if you compare it with the Hakogan price, it pretty much was like 2.5 times, wait, 3 times cheaper. So yeah, there is a difference money-wise. So for the difference, I could bought another power supply and another electronic load. It's essentially going to be around the price of the Hakogan alone. But Hako is Hako. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. And that was review of Anesty desoldering station. What's the freaking brand? ZD-8915, 8915, ZD-8915. Yeah, those weird names and weird brand names which you do not remember. Right. So stay tuned for more videos, stay safe, and ciao.